Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Forex Profit Boost Indicator on the MetaTrader4 and MetaTrader5 platforms. This indicator uses moving average indicators as well as the Bollinger Bands indicator to both display the trend on the chart and generate buy and sell signals for us. Trend detection in this indicator works as follows. When we have a combination of blue and yellow histograms, we can consider it an uptrend. And when
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
we have a combination of red and yellow, we can consider it a downtrend. Also, when the histogram color changes from red to blue, we can enter a buy position and place our stop loss below the last swing low. Similarly, when the color changes from blue to red, like here, we can enter a sell trade and set our stop loss above the most recent swings. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the period of the fast moving average. The next option is the calculation method for this moving average. And the following option is the price on which the calculations are performed. For the S2 moving average, we have these same three parameters. Next, we specify the parameters for the Bollinger Bands. Namely, the period of the Bollinger Bands is the deviation of the Bollinger Bands and the shift of the Bollinger Bands. Let's watch a live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader4 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader4 platform. Let's watch a live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.